Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wondered if plants feel pain? Today I'm diving deep into the fascinating world of plant biology and exploring whether plants scream when their stems are cut or dried. Now, we all know that plants react to their environment. Studies have shown that they release chemicals and signal distress when faced with physical damage or environmental stresses. Take the Venus flytrap, for example. It can count the number of times its trigger hairs are touched to distinguish between prey and debris. Pretty cool, right? And tomatoes, they can alter their leaf chemistry to induce caterpillar cannibalism. Talk about plant warfare. But the big question is, do plants actually feel pain? Well, to answer that, we need to understand what pain really is. Pain involves physical suffering and emotional states which require a nervous system and pain receptors. Plants, however, lack these components, so while they do react to stimuli, they don't experience pain in the way animals do. You might be wondering, if plants don't feel pain, why do they react to damage? Great question. For animals, pain serves an evolutionary purpose. It helps them react to threats and move away from danger. On the other hand, plants are immobile. They've evolved different defense mechanisms, like releasing chemicals to warn nearby plants or attract predators of the pests eating them. Some plants even demonstrate adaptive behaviors, like rearranging leaves to avoid shading their siblings. Here's a mind-bender. Plants can respond to general anesthetics similarly to animals. When exposed to anesthetics, Venus flytraps and stop reacting to touch. Even pea seedlings stop their tendril movements. This discovery raises intriguing questions about plant consciousness and whether a broader definition of a nervous system should include plants. Now let's talk ethics. Some argue that if plants could feel pain, it would challenge the principles of veganism. But here's the thing, farmed animals consume large quantities of plants. Eating plants directly actually minimizes overall harm. Plus, the idea of plant consciousness is still hotly debated among scientists. So, do plants scream when their stems are cut or dried? While they don't scream in a way we can hear, they do send out distress signals, react to damage, and demonstrate fascinating behaviors. But experiencing pain as animals do? Not quite. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysterious world of plants, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay curious.